Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 5th April 2026. Title of Murli. Check your result of self-sovereignty and change yourself and claim a right to the constant and unbroken, Akhand kingdom. Bap Dada said, Dear children, you are currently inculcating the sanskars, divine impressions, for your future kingdom and fortune. Your present spiritual effort, Purusharth, will secure your sovereign status for many births to come. So, check yourself, just as there will be one kingdom in the future, is there a single sovereignty over your mind even now? Is it that sometimes you rule over yourself, Swarajya, and at other times, Maya rules over you? Further, Baba said, if two kingdoms are still operating within you, when will the sanskars of a single, unified kingdom be formed? The specialty of the future world is one kingdom and one religion. And what is that religion? Complete purity is your religion, your very foundation, dharana. Therefore, examine if you truly adhere to this one religion. Does a second religion, impurity, interfere in between? Any deficiency here will prevent you from becoming an heir to the complete future kingdom. This is why Bap Dada repeatedly draws your attention. Become perfect and complete quickly. You must remain happy every second and deliver the Father's message to everyone. Thoughts like, it will happen, or I will do it eventually, will not let you become an heir to the 21 births of indestructible and uninterrupted sovereignty. In conclusion, Baba said, much time has already passed, and only a little remains, therefore, your spiritual effort must be intense. Now is the time not just to walk, but to fly. Only by making the effort of the flying stage, Udti Kala, will you be able to claim your full right, your complete inheritance from the Father. Blessing for today. May you be a well-wisher for everyone, and become victorious with the power of cooperation in the gathering. Details are, if everyone in the gathering is each other's helper and well-wisher, then, by your being surrounded with the power of cooperation in the gathering, wonders can be achieved. Be well-wishers for one another and cooperate with one another, and Maya will not have the courage to enter this circle. However, there will only be the power of cooperation in the gathering when you have the determined thought that no matter how many things you have to face, you will definitely face them and demonstrate it to everyone by becoming victorious. Slogan is, any desire, Ichha, will not allow you to become good, Acha. Therefore, become ignorant of the knowledge of desires. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Imbibe the virtues of sweetness and humility to become great. By eating and serving others with sweet things, your mouth is sweetened for a few moments and you become happy. In the same way, when you yourselves become sweet, sweet words will constantly emerge from your mouth. Such sweet words will make you happy and also make others happy. Constantly continue to sweeten everyone's mouth in this way and constantly have sweet drishti, sweet words and sweet actions.